Nature Adventures. Here we go. We are way up the pit arm. Huh? Yeah, I'm filming. Whew. Man, that was a cold trip. That thing's still falling, huh? Might have to pull out the drop shot. Steep. Oh yeah. Tincture Adventures. Oh, it feels like a good one. Ah, you got the net. Oh, that's a fatty, Mac Daddy. Can you net him? Real quick. Thanks, buddy. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yes, sir. Yeah. Oh, that's a few tacos right there. Tincture Adventures. Skadoosh! And he was on there for a minute too. I felt weight and I kept like pulling and pulling and I was like, is that a fish? Oh. That was like a sturgeon or something right there, or a catfish. That was a big one. Unless that was a 10-pound mama. Oh, dang. Another one on the jig. Boat flip. That's another fatty. Whew. Tank chair. Just working this little jig. I think it's a 3/8 ounce smaller jig. And that's my zoom profile that I cut down. Took the little whiskers off the tips so they couldn't try to run off with the tips and break off the tip. Yeah, another good one. Boat flip. Killing it on the jig. We'd be in the money today if there was a tournament. Skadoosh. Tincture Adventures. Look at all these fish. Are those all fish? It's the first time I've seen that much. Tincture Adventures. Drop shot. Playing video game fishing. I think he's around a tree or something. Come on out of there. Oh yeah, he's there. Come on, off of that tree, sucker. There he goes. Got him. That's a better one, I think. Oh, it's a tank. Can't get the net. Oh, shit. Oh, you grab that.
You had Michael Jackson going on the board.
Get in the net. Yeah. Tank chair. Skadoosh. On the drop. On that good old Charlie Brewer's grub. Blue and white. Bluegill color. Skadash. Dig it. He's barely hooked. Help me out. Help me out. Tank chair adventures. Tank chair adventures, baby. Gosh. There's lots of fishermen around here, so we gotta be quiet. Tank chair. On the drop shot. Oh, this video's going out anyway, so everybody's gonna know. Adventures.
That's my limits.
Oh, tank chair. Adventures. Another one on the drop shot. Had to change colors. Swing. Little one. Little one. Back you go.